Wala. Ah.
Riwan pass to Ruan. Guard by Simon. To Abaha sa gitna. Pinasa kay Ruan. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Out of bounds. Bola na. Samurai. Chop. Tarong lagi pass to Simon. Simon, long 2. Wala. Rebound by Ruan. Foul is Bayo.
Kate.
His second personal foul. Samurai first team foul for this third quarter. Awaha pass to Riwan. Riwan makasasend sa play. To Ruan. Guard by Chong. Back to Riwan. Sa gitna rin na Abaha. Holding. Kick out. Adasyo wala. Riwan by Ace. Shout out kay Ramsey ang natin. Ang mga kapagong. Kawan, naita sa pasu. Adasyo. Wala. Our rebound by Ace. From pass to Suman Ball. 2 points by Suman Ball. 37-26 in favor of Team Samurai. 10 seconds to shoot. Abaha lays up. It's in the boots. Good shot for Abaha. Bayo. Nasa kay Chong. Sa gitna, Henry. Lumangkap. Marupot. Good shot. Bola ng bola. Ribbon, stick move. Pass kay Ruan. Back to Ribbon. Guard by Sulit sa ilalim. Nakakuha ni Henry. Pass to Bayo. Bayo ang pinas kay Sumal. Oh! Foul number 19. Ribbon. 2 free throw for number 18. Going to Sumal Ball. Nang ilang vitamins ng kanyang tira. Pasok sa kanyang pangalawang free. Pass break. Turuan. Guard by Chong. Turuan. Foul. Chong. Second team foul. Turuan. Same ball. 6 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Rebound for 3. Simon Sulit to Ace Bayo. Kinaliwa pa. Hindi pumasok. Ruan, pass to Adasyo. Out of bounds. Chong for the rebound. Pass to Simon. Back to Chong. Guard by Ruan. Pumasok sa gitna. Balls up. Wala. Rebound by Marupot. Marupot bumatak. Dalawang guarda. Ruan, mabilis. Ruan, first shot. Wala. Rebound by Marupot. Pass break to Ace. Ace to Paco. Foul number 21. Second team foul ng Juan Garcia. Second personal foul. First personal foul Garcia. Garcia out. Perez in. Second video for kami. Wala. Tapos lang. Aninik siya. Rebound. Crossover. Game move. By rebound. Pass kay number 19. Hindi lang nabuha. Sayang. Bayo. Pass to Sulit Santres. Wala. Rebound by Marubon. Marubon. Ujo, 10 seconds to shoot. Ace tumingin pa sa guhit. Airball. Abaha for the rebound for the bola. Abaha pass to 1 to make. Kick out kay Ribon sa 3. Nagkasa naman ang pasa sa kay Perez. Pass break kay Marubon. Libre. Dasal tayo po talaga, hanapin po kayo sa committee. Bawal na po ang sisiyaw. Pwede kayong matingnan. Ribon. Intercept by Chong. Naroon yung Ribon ng bola. Ribon. Long to jump. Yes sir. Time out. Game handover. It's gone for an end.
So mga player po natin dyan, ang mga naluluto, may snacks po tayo dito sa stage.
Yan, sari-sari store.
Yung mga gusto pong mag-merienda dyan, yung mga available po tayo dito merienda sa stage. Mura na, nauutang pa.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Wala na ang samurai.
Nakashoot lang ng hangover.
Samurai ball.
With the remaining time of 5 minutes, 44 seconds for the third quarter action. So, top of the key, guard by Ribon. So, pass to Jared. Diyos ko marumon. One under shot. Pasok yan. And Ribon 2 points. Ribon, kick out from Baha. Success. Wala. Ikaw lang nanalo kay Sisuan Kong. So, nagpapabilis. Check na agad. Yung tumingin sa silang yan. Uy. Ribon, tayo Kong. Gawan sa 3. Airball. Pero ando si Abaha for the fullback. Abaha 2 points. So,
10 seconds. Marupok. For the point play. Foul. Number 9. Rowan. 30 foul. 12. Number 9, third personal foul. 30 foul. Team 12. Marupok. Pas Marupok. Bukan, wala. Nagsasaritaw. Bayo mo ng rebound. Foul. Number 18. Warning for penalty. 1. Two free throw for Ace Bayo.
Kakon, jalipikot.
Wala.
Second free throw. Waya. Pasok yan. 1 point for Ace Bayo. Rebound. Screen by Rowan. Pass to Apala. Back to Rebound. Inirmas Rebound 3. Deck. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. Sumanbong. Diretso. Yes, sir. 8 points. 5. Orwin Sumanbong. Lumalayo na po ang lamang ng Team Zamora. Ibon. Pasa kay Abes. Abes pulls up. Wala. Ibagat ang nananawa kay Sumanbong. Foul. Number 4. Substitution red. Penalty corner. Bayo out. Topek in. Penalty. Domino for Redmi. Maruko. Nagduli ang kanyang unang kulit. Second row. Masabayan ay Henry Maruko. Remaining time 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Go on, one by shot. Out of bounds. 16 seconds. Rebound. Pass to Abang Seralik. Never. Di Abang. $34-49 points covered. Tumakbo. Bumigay sa Jared. Jared for the punta. 2 points by Jared Pelos. 3 minutes, 5 seconds. Abaha. Malakas ang tira. Rebound by Topek. Chop. Topek. 2 points. 53-34 ang ating score. Lamang po ng lamang. Wala pala ang kawaligyan. Ang ganda naman ang aksidente yung pasang na-issue pa. Rebound ang nagtitipon. Rebound sa play. Para sa talent. Sayang. Remaining time 2 minutes 15 seconds for the third quarter. Abangan number 4. Abangan number 4 pass to sa ilalim kay Perez. Hindi bring si Perez. 35-36. Exactly 2 minutes remaining time. Tumalpo. With 10 seconds to shoot.
Mula sa tira. Rebound by Rock. Pass to Abaha number 4. Abaha, ball pick. Ball pick. Hindi lang kunik. 3 ball for long 2. Wala. So, ball pick again. Wala. 3 ball. Crossover. Pass to Abaha sa ilalim. Libre si Abaha. 2 points by Abaha number 4. Arrow. Yes. 2 points by Henry. What a boarding pass. Abaha. Pass to Ribbon. Ribbon. Screen by Garcia. Abaha back to back. Yes, sir. 2 points by Abaha. With 55 seconds remaining time. Ijos, papagkaki.
Tira.
Marunong. Dalawang ball niya. Sumantok. Wala. Hindi mo masok sa wala. Gowan. Closer. Yes, sir. 2 points by Gowan. 30 seconds. Remaining time. Marunong. Oy! Basket and 1. Marunong. Foul number 9. Personal foul number 9. Bonus free throw for Henry Margot. Oh. Foul Margot. First personal foul, third team foul, Team Samurai. 24 seconds remaining time. Ribbon for 3. Wala. Ten seconds. 5 seconds.
Takot si
Wala. That's the end of our third quarter action with a score of 59-41 in favor of Team Samurai.